Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at the Harbor Freight Labor Day sale. For Inside Track Club members, it starts on the 30th. For everyone else, it starts on the 3rd. And it is going to end on Monday the 6th. So we'll take a look at some of the best deals in the ad. This is a 10-page ad, so there's a lot to go through. And I'll give you a spoiler alert right off the top. There is no 20% coupon. There is no 25% coupon. They went through the trouble of putting together a 10-page ad where I think a majority of their customers would have been happier and their stores would be busier with just one of those coupons. Nevertheless, here we are. So first off, I do have to point out a slight annoyance for me. The 3x5 American flag for $4.99, you see the little text where it says not available in Minnesota. So because Minnesota has a law where they won't sell flags that were made in other countries. But here's the thing. An American flag is one of the 5 or 6 items in all of Harbor Freight that they have an American-made version. You see, they sell the Betsy flags made in the United States for $19.99. I know it's more expensive, but Harbor Freight's going for more expensive stuff now anyways, so how about we advertise the American-made flag and not the Chinese-made flag? I mean, if we're going to sell it, why not promote it at all? I don't know, just kind of weird, especially patriotic-related holidays. I don't know, whatever. So anyways, one good item we have at $99.99 is the 3-ton steel heavy-duty floor jack, the Pittsburgh Jack. Everyone loves them. It's great value, so that's a good buy. We have the little blue, I call it a puck light, even though it's not exactly a puck because it's kind of oblong. This used to be free. I kind of have a hard time paying for things that I used to get for free. The fans here, we used to see them for $99.99 all the time. They've gone up a wee bit. Have the U.S. General 72-incher in all 6 amazing colors. You noticed all the expensive stuff, they highlight the credit card monthly price, and kind of the fine print is what you actually end up paying for the item. Another thing we used to get for free, the 6-inch magnetic tray. Even though it's only $2, not a bad deal on the auto-darkening welding helmet. The coupon price for the last decade, basically, has always been $39.99, so $37.99 is not a bad deal for it. The foldable shop crane at $209, looks like that's gone up. Here I pulled up some old coupons that I had posted on my website, and we can see the last one I had posted was from December 31st, and it was $189.99 at that time, so it looks like a $20 hike over the last few months. The Zurich code readers, it's one thing I just wouldn't buy at Harbor Freight just because there's a few items that we consistently see cheaper on Amazon with promo codes and coupons and stuff, and they would be just as good, if not better, as far as quality and functionality. For the sake of an example, I just typed in OBD2 for the search on my website just to show you some of the latest ones that we posted codes for. This one was 55% off, normally $20, so under $10 after the promo code. The launch ones is what I would compare to the Zurich as far as a value and available features. Anyways, this one was 30% off starting at $188. It also had a $10 coupon on top of that 30%. Another launch that was 30% off with a $15 coupon. And then this Auto one was an amazing deal that we did a video on. It had a 40% promo code and then like another mystery 40% discount and then a $26 coupon. So this was like a $200 OBD2 scanner that people who are subscribed and click the bell to receive notifications were able to get for like $25. So for the OBD2s, I'm sticking with Amazon. Here we got these Pittsburgh wrenches. They're cheap. I've never used the Pittsburgh wrenches, so I don't know about it. The flex head ratcheting wrenches, $19.99. It's a good price. It's cheap, but again, I haven't used the Pittsburgh ones. I don't know what the quality would be on that. Not a bad deal for the Slim Bar LED work light. This is actually like the introductory coupon price when this item first came out. I want to say it was like 2017, 2018, maybe. I don't know, I'm bad with time, but when it came out, that was the price. and it has a rechargeable 18650 battery. I've seen a lot of people who said they're happy with the battery, and my position on that is if you're happy with that battery, you don't use it enough. Because that battery is bad. It's a bad battery. You should definitely, if you're going to get this light, look up on Amazon 18650 batteries. I bought a 3500 milliamp hour battery to replace it, and it's so much nicer. Lasts much, much longer. Now, maybe the newer Braun lights at some point down the road, because I bought mine like a week after it was released. Maybe they've changed the battery since then, but man, the one in my light, it sucks. Also, this is all plastic right here, and mine broke fairly quickly, and I had to electrical tape the crap out of it to hold it together. But overall, it's a good light. The magnetic toolbar, boy, that was a fun free item to get. I had 40 of those at one time. Very useful. I liked them. Winches, generally, people seem pretty happy with it. I have a 2,500 pound Harbor Freight winch that's worked out pretty well for me. I wouldn't buy any of their RoadShock LED off-road lights because they're way expensive. Just 2 days ago, I posted on the website a pair of 7-inch lights that we ended up paying like $7 for the pair. It was crazy cheap. Same thing with the battery charger. We see cheaper ones on Amazon that are just as good, so we're not concerned about that. The sports chairs, it's always been $19.99. That's a pretty typical sale price for those. They didn't used to have the blue. The blue is a new addition. It's funny, on these air compressors it says closeout special, so maybe they're getting rid of them, but the prices are the price we always saw. These air compressors here were one of the most common coupons that we would ever see. They were just in everything, and it was always $39.99 or $39.97, whatever. It's always that price, so not too interested. I love this. Look at this. We're going to put these guys right next to each other. $99.97, $129.99. You can pay $30 more because we made it in green now. So this doesn't show the sale price, but here's the original Earthquake. Here's the new Earthquake. And if you went through these two pages, the only difference is one is green. Everything else is the same. $19.99 for an Orbital Sander. That's not bad. It's like a Black & Decker price, but probably better than Black & Decker quality, so we'll go with it maybe. I remember a while back seeing a video, I think it was these discs here. Anyways, a person peeled off the label and it said DeWalt before or behind it. So I went and bought them. I was like, there's no label to peel off. What the hell's going on here? I don't know. Maybe the person in the video was just tricking me. These things are really handy to have around, and for $1.99 if you're going to be in the store, worth picking up. We used to see them for 99 cents. I can't remember if we ever saw them for free or not. I kind of feel like we did have free coupons once or twice, but it wasn't like a staple that we saw all the time. The fans, I think we saw them already. Pressure washer, 1750 psi electric pressure washer. It's a normal coupon price for it, but it's not a bad deal. We just saw the DeWalt 20-volt cordless for $99 at Acme Tools, so $69 for the Bauer. I'd pay up for the DeWalt. Well, I already own the DeWalt. This chipper shredder, this thing's awesome. I bought this years ago, and one, it's a lot of fun, and two, it works really well. Pretty much anything that'll fit in this hole, it'll chop up. I didn't really use the top for like leaves and twigs and crap like that. That wasn't interesting to me. But this, oh man, I did so much wood chipping with this thing. But you'd be amazed how many branches you got to feed into that thing to really accumulate anything. I have all these dead trees from the Asian ash borer bugs killing things. And I thought, I'm just going to chop up all these trees and then I'll use it for mulch around the house or something. Pfft, a whole tree gets you like 5 feet of mulch. One thing though, the bag it comes with, you can attach a bag to this little side to collect it all. That's trash. Mine fell apart almost instantly. So, but the item itself is really good. I actually have old clips that I never posted on YouTube that Maybe one day we'll get around to finishing that video from like 2017. I really like this style of utility knife where it folds. I don't own any of these Gordon ones, but Menards actually used to have really good deals on these, and all mine are the Menards ones. Jumbo hooks, pretty good deal for 99 cents. I've used them in the truck a bunch with bungee cords or like cargo net things to tie to the bed anchors. The sun bleaches them pretty quick though. Wire cutters are trash. Don't worry about those. I really hate the batteries, but people seem to like them. Not my cup of tea. Don't like them. Then we get to the last page, which just is an advertisement for the credit card, which you definitely shouldn't get, so we're not even going to show it to you. But there you go. That is the Harbor Freight Labor Day sale this year. Not awful, but is there really anything there that's going to make you run out to a Harbor Freight? I mean, if I was already there, I guess there's a few things I would pick up, but there's nothing like I'm circling it and like, hey, when Friday the 3rd comes, 8 a.m., I'm going to be at Harbor Freight because I'm picking this thing up before it sells out. I didn't see any of those types of deals. So, and I really wish it was just a 20 or 25% off coupon. I'd be so much happier, and it would be so much easier for them. Just make people happy, will you? I mean, come on, how hard is this? Anyway, guys, that's the sale. Thanks for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.